Good day, students. I hope you are safe at your place, and I also wish you all the best for your board exams. The topic that I'm going to take up is management as an art. This is one of the topics of lesson 1 of business study, nature and significance of management. Till now we have studied about the meaning, definition, features, importance of management, and we are going to study about the nature of management. Nature of management means whether we consider management as an art, science or profession. कि हम प्रबंध को क्या मानते हैं, क्या हम उसको कला मानते हैं, क्या हम उसको साइंस के तौर पे लेते हैं, या हम उसको एक व्यवसाय मानते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए कि कला क्या है. कला क्या होती है कि जब हम कहते हैं कि ये व्यक्ति पेंटिंग बना सकता है, या ये गाना गा सकता है, या ये कविताएं लिख सकता है, तो हम कहते हैं कि इसमें ये कला है, isn't it? तो if I put in words, art means the skillful and personal application of existing knowledge to achieve desired results. It can be acquired through study, observation and experience. So does it mean that management is an art? Now, art has a number of features. If they are present in management, so we can consider management as an art also. Now, the features that are of an art are, first of all, existence of theoretical knowledge. Second one is personalized application. Third one is based on practice and creativity. First of all, it is existence of theoretical knowledge. जैसे अगर हमने संगीत सीखना है तो वो रागों के तौर पे लिखा गया है, वो लिटरेचर की फॉर्म में हमें मिल सकता है. इसी तरह से अगर हमने पेंटिंग बनानी सीखनी है तो उसके लिए भी थ्योरी अवेलेबल है, लिटरेचर अवेलेबल है. जब हम उसको स्टडी करते हैं तो हम उस कला को सीख सकते हैं. क्या मैनेजमेंट को भी हम सीख सकते हैं? मैनेजमेंट को भी यस, बहुत सारा लिटरेचर अवेलेबल है जिसके द्वारा कि हम उसको पढ़ के मैनेजमेंट भी सीख सकते हैं. तो वी कैन से कि इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ सम थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स. Like a lot of literature is available in the field of music, dancing, acting, and by studying that literature we can learn that form of art. In the same manner, a lot of literature is available in the field of management, like marketing, finance, human resources. A number of books are available in management field, and by going through these books we can learn about the management. Second feature is personalized application. Now everyone applies the theoretical knowledge in his personal way. The two different people may have gone to the same school, they must have studied the same books, but the way they are handling the situations will be different. Two dancers may have learned from the same guru, but the way they demonstrate their art will be different. जैसे कि बेटे किसी दो आर्टिस्ट ने सेम कॉलेज से पेंटिंग करना सीखा हो, उनके पास सेम तरह के ब्रश हों, उनके पास सेम तरह के कलर्स हों, लेकिन जो उनका काम होगा वो दोनों का डिफरेंट होगा. तो इसको हम कहते हैं पर्सनलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन. हाँ, मैनेजमेंट में भी ऐसे ही होता है. लोगों के पास सेम डिग्रीज होती हैं, पर जब वो सिचुएशंस में अप्लाई करते हैं वो डिफरेंट होता है. तो इट मीन्स yes, everyone applies the theoretical knowledge in his personal way. Then it is based on practice and creativity. Perfection can be achieved only through practice. An art can be improved with the help of regular practice. Every art has an element of creativity, and artist uses his skill and style to produce something that had not existed before. Now, a dancer learns to perform better by continuously practicing a dance. Every art has an element of creativity, and an artist uses his skill and style to produce something that had not existed before. Like musicians, they have learned the same ragas. Even then, the compositions that are made by them are different. They are the one that never existed before. In the management also, ठीक है, with passage of time we can apply our creativity in management. Now, are the features of art present in management? We'll just try to compare. Existence of theoretical knowledge, is it present in management? Yes, because number of literature is available in the field of management. Personalized application, yes, it is also present in management. Every manager handles the situation differently based on practice and creativity. Yes, this feature of art is also present in management. A number of managers, they apply based upon their experience, apply their creativity in different situations. So, what we conclude on comparing the characteristics of art with management, we find that all the characteristics of art are present in management. So, we can call management as art. There, that's why there is one definition is there. कि management is an art of getting the things done through others. So it can be considered as an art. Thank you.